You'll have plenty of elbow room in this double-lot compound in Old Town Key West. Step beyond the quaint front porch of the main house and into the large, well-appointed kitchen with newer appliances and beautiful stained glass cabinetry that provides abundant storage. The living room features vaulted, rustic ceilings and French doors that lead to the outdoor living area. The master bedroom also has French doors and high ceilings and a private bath with a large vanity and a soaking tub. The outdoor living room is screened for comfort but still takes advantage of the wonderful island air. The oversized pool includes a built-in spa, and the spacious deck is surrounded by tropical foliage. The two-bedroom guest cottage features an artwork chandelier in the dining area, plus a full kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a breakfast bar. The large living room includes high ceilings and gets plenty of natural sunlight. French doors open onto the covered porch and large brick patio, an excellent space for entertaining. The comfortable bedrooms provide plenty of space for extended stays, and each guest can enjoy his or her own private decorator full bath. Another cottage separate from the main house includes a private full bath and is perfect as a quiet bedroom or a study with views of the grounds. Call for a private showing of this magnificent compound on a quiet Old Town Lane. Contact Rudy Molinet at Marquis Properties today.